मैंने अपना दोपहर का भोजन कर लिया है।
I had my lunch. I had my lunch.
मेरे पास एक गिलास पानी था।
I had a glass of water. I had a glass of water.
मेरे दिमाग में एक विचार था।
I had an idea in my head. I had an idea in my head.
पिछले हफ्ते मुझे बुखार हुआ था।
I had a fever last week. I had a fever last week.
मुझे संदेह था।
I had a doubt. I had a doubt.
कल मेरी एक बैठक थी।
I had a meeting yesterday. I had a meeting yesterday.
मेरे कुछ सवाल थे।
I had some questions. I had some questions.
मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे।
I had no money. I had no money.
उसके पास लाइसेंस नहीं था।
He had no license. He had no license.
मेरे पास एक अच्छा विचार था।
I had a good idea. I had a good idea.
मेरा अच्छा समय बीता।
I had a good time. I had a good time.
हमारी गुप्त बैठक हुई थी।
We had a secret meeting. We had a secret meeting.
मेरे पास उसका फोन आया था।
I had a phone call from him. I had a phone call from him.
कल रात मैंने एक अजीब सपना देखा।
I had a strange dream last night. I had a strange dream last night.
मेरे बैंक में बहुत पैसा था।
I had a lot of money in my bank. I had a lot of money in my bank.
मुझे खाना पड़ा।
I had to eat. I had to eat.
मुझे बहुत अध्ययन करना पड़ा।
I had to study a lot. I had to study a lot.
मुझे जाना था।
I had to go. I had to go.
मुझे दौड़ना पड़ा।
I had to run. I had to run.
मैंने अपना खाना खा लिया।
I had my dinner. I had my dinner.
काश हम यहाँ कभी नहीं आते।
I wish we had never come here. I wish we had never come here.
उन्होंने इसे पार कर लिया था।
He had crossed it. He had crossed it.
उन्होंने क्या किया था?
What had they done? What had they done?
शायद रॉक के पास कार थी।
Maybe Rock had a car. Maybe Rock had a car.
उसे नियंत्रण हासिल करना पड़ा।
She had to regain control. She had to regain control.
उसे अब अभिनय करना था।
She had to act now. She had to act now.
उसके पास घर खरीदने के लिए पर्याप्त पैसा था।
He had enough money to buy a house. He had enough money to buy a house.
मुझे नहीं पता था।
I had no idea. I had no idea.
मैंने इसकी योजना नहीं बनाई थी।
I hadn't planned on it. I hadn't planned on it.
उन्होंने बस इससे परहेज किया था।
He had simply avoided it. He had simply avoided it.
और भी होना था।
There had to be more. There had to be more.
वो उसके बारे में भूल गई थी।
She had forgotten about him. She had forgotten about him.
फिर भी उसे जानने का अधिकार था।
Still, he had the right to know. Still, he had the right to know.